Hey guys, this is Ricardo and welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. So guys, today I'm just going to show you how to actually set up the DZ09 Smartwatch. In other words, how to install a SIM card as well as a small memory card. This is a 8GB. Maximum supported will be 16 gigs. So let's get started. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is, for example, let's look at this. You notice that it's working fine. I'm just going to disassemble the device. So first turn over, and what you're going to look, you look for this tab to the side around here, and you should find it. You should see it. As you can see there, it's a very small tab. That's the point from which you should open. So just go ahead and use a finger tip and just lift. Alright, and the back should snap right off. Alright, as you can see here, this is the battery, and of course this one does lifts up as well. So just look for the tab side here that looks just like this. Alright, let's look for this side here and just simply lift. As soon as you lift, it will come right out, and as you can see, this is the back of the device. So you gotta look carefully here now. For the SIM card, simply push down and you'll hear a snap. Then after you push down, just simply lift up. Alright, as for the orientation of the SIM card, simply with the notch this way and just place this in. It should slide right into place, and then snap back down, hold and push up. There you go. So you can see now it's well in place. For the 8GB micro SD card I have here, I'm just going to slide this in. You can see the orientation there. Just hold, and of course again simply slide down. It should just slide into place. Now I'll just show you my work. There you go. It's quite easy. Now next, you're gonna get the battery. Notice the prongs here are down to the lower side, and of course the terminal here. So it's gonna place like this. Slide in, slide over, of course all the way over. Carefully press down, and it's gonna be a little bit loose, but it should go right in there. And of course, to place the grill back on, make sure you put it towards this speaker area right over here. So let me just show you. So once the speaker is in, you're just gonna look for the speaker right there and match this section here. So I'm just gonna slide this back on. Make sure it's in alignment. It should start snapping back into place. Just make sure you firmly press. Just hold the power button when you're finished, and of course we'll start booting. While it's booting, it's already booted, and of course you can see the back of the device. Just make sure you check the edges to make sure it's flush. Make sure there are no gaps, and there you go. So this one is on completely, and that has done it for the tutorial. And that's how you basically install a SIM card and of course the other components into the DZ09 Smartwatch. Should be similar for other devices as well. So just remember that, just take your time, slide the tray up, slide the memory card in, remove the back carefully, and that should do it. Alright guys, this is Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips, saying bye until next time. Bye.